only 21% of the products we tested contained the product listed on the label.
All right, well, that's a little scary. How do you regulate that? What's legal? What should be?
With any regulation, your starting point should be, what is the problem to which this regulation is the solution?
Janet Woodcock, acting commissioner for the FDA, recently testified to a bipartisan congressional committee. In her testimony, Woodcock stated that the FDA has plans to return to normal inspections for all U.S. facilities, although these inspections will be pre-announced. Congressional leaders had voiced concern in a letter sent to Woodcock at the end of July that if the FDA continues to postpone regular inspections, it will disrupt approval of new drugs and biologics. They also wanted to know what impact pre-announcing the inspections would have going forward. In her testimony, Woodcock addressed that the pre-announcing of the inspection is to protect the FDA inspectors and make sure it is safe to visit that geographical area. She also acknowledged that foreign inspections will not return to normal as quickly due to ongoing pandemic logistics and safety issues with traveling abroad.
The Pathways Minute gives you the most relevant, up-to-date news and information in the life science industry to help you remain compliant, effective, and efficient. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and follow us on LinkedIn.